Hi everybody, I'm going to show you a way today to record your voice and send to students, or have students record their voice and send it to you. Really easily, no need to send attachments or files or use WhatsApp or anything at all. Just go to VOCAROO.com. This is the website, VOCAROO.com. Students go in, they see this little recording button and they can click and start recording. Hi everybody, this is my recording. They can pause to think and continue. Hi, I'm recording. They click stop when they're done and they can listen to it. Hi everybody, this is my recording. Hi, I'm recording. Okay, when they are done, they just click save and share. And this will open up. They just copy this link and they send it to the teacher. They can also embed this in a blog, download, or have a QR code. If you're a teacher, you may want to use it for fun activities, recording options, worksheets, and other ideas. And in case students have a recording already on their computers, they can click upload and just upload the file from their computer. That's it. So no need to attach anything. They just send a link to the teacher. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye-bye.